How to fix Perplexity AI login problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you fix Perplexity AI login problem. So here's what you need to do. So to resolve the login issue with Perplexity AI, you could just follow the troubleshooting step that's based on a common cause, such as you want to check or make sure to enter the correct link, or you make sure to enter the correct verification code. So what you want to do is check for an email, right? So go to your Gmail and open up your mail and check for trash or spam folder as well. Sometimes it can be located there. Next, if you also having if you're using supported, then what you want to do is open the login link to same device and browser when you initiate the request as well. Now other than that, what you also want to do is check for an internet connection. If you're using the app version of it, go to update the app to the latest version as well. And if you're using the browser, you want to make sure to clear cache. For that, you want to open up the browser, tap on the three dot and go to settings. Here you want to go to privacy and security, and there you have delete browsing data. You want to do this, and that should able to help you out fix Perplexity AI login problem. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.